Now we're going to learn about another type of variable, which is not a primitive data type. So integer, double, float, character, boolean, all of these data types are primitive data types. Data type that we're going to introduce here is a string data type. So in a string, which is, as I mentioned, is a sequence of characters. And as you see here, it's started with a capital letter, which is the capital S in this case. All the primitive data types, as you see, they are all written in the lower cases, and they are the reserved keywords. But the string is not the reserved keyword. As we're going to learn later, string is a class and at the same time a type. So I'm going to define a variable. As you remember, first we have the type, which is a string, and then the name of the variable, which I'm going to call it str1. That's the name of the variable. And then I'm going to use the equal sign, and then I'm going to assign the value to that str1 variable. As I mentioned, because strings or sequence of characters, they must be surrounded with a pair of double quotations. So here is my message, for example, hello and welcome to Java programming. That is a message or the text that I want to assign to the variable str. Similarly, I can just print the value of str1 by using the System.out, println, or print method. So I'm going to use the println method, and I'm going to pass str1 as the parameter to this method. Again, we're going to talk about methods later. So here, if I run the program one more time, I have to enter all these numbers and also the Boolean variables, and then at the end it will print the str value, which will be hello, welcome to Java programming, for sure, without these double quotations. If I'm gonna have these double quotation also as part of the string, I need to use the backslash and then a double quotation like here. If I don't, then I don't need to use this one here.